Welcome to the Daily Blizzard, and we pulled a bunch of the best snowboarders in the world together to find out the top 3 parks to ride in the United States.
America, fuck yeah!
And to kick off our top 3 resorts, well, not resorts, but parks to ride in the United States, we go to California and to the resort of Mammoth. And a little known fact for you, the first lifts were built here in 1955. And from California we go to Colorado and to the resort of Keystone. Not to be confused with the home of Yogi Bear, which is Yellowstone, we think.
Baby, I can't hold it much longer. It's getting stronger and stronger. And when I get that feeling, I want that sexual healing. Sexual healing, baby, is good for me. Sexual healing is something that's good for me.
And from Keystone we go all the way over to Breckenridge. Some little known facts for you here. It's the home of the Dew Tour, and it is also home to the same company that own Keystone. Breckenridge. That's where we are. So thank you for watching the Daily Blizzard. That was our top 3 parks of the United States. We want to compile the same list for Canada, Europe, the rest of the world. So get in contact with us via Twitter, via Facebook. See you all tomorrow.